Welcome to Billy's spaceship.
Neptune.
Collect the letters to complete the word. Launch the ball to move. You found a letter. Try going this way.
N.
You found a letter. Try going this way.
P.
You found a letter. Try going this way.
E.
You found a letter. Try going this way.
N.
You found a letter.
E.
You found a letter.
T.
You found all the letters. Well done. You made the word
Neptune.
match the colors. Blocks. Yellow, blue, pink. Ball. Blue, pink, yellow. Doll. Yellow, pink, blue. Train. Blue, yellow, pink. Teddy bear. Pink, yellow, blue. Welcome to the Lingokids dance contest. Can you do the fruit dance as well as Lisa? Lemon, pear, lemon, pear. Let's dance. Lemon, pear, lemon, pear. Woohoo! Very good. Next round, let's go. Shake your body. Cherries, cherries, red apple. Cherries, cherries, red apple. Good job! Keep dancing. It's time to dance. Pear, green apple, grapes. Pear, green apple, grapes. Nicely done! Next round, let's go. What comes next in the pattern? Let's dance. Pear, lemon, pear, lemon, pear. You are an amazing dancer. Keep dancing. Which item comes next? Shake your body. Grapes, orange, strawberry. Grapes, orange, strawberry. Grapes. Woohoo! Very good! Next round, let's go. What comes next in the pattern? Complete. It's time to dance. Orange, pear, grapes. Orange, pear, grapes. Orange. Good job! Bye! See you in the next dance contest!
The sound box. Now let's play the song. Tap on the right keys to play the song. Tap on the keys to play along.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels.
That was fun!